Huh?
Save eggs for breakfast?
Eggs for breakfast, yes.
Yeah, clean it up. Give me a clean it.
It's just bright enough I could see. I can see you cooking.
Well, that cleans that up right away, though, don't it?
It all burns it off.
No problemo. It's clean. Okay. And chili beans, huh?
Chili beans and hamburger, yeah.
You little lovey.
And can make it like a sloppy Joe.
Yeah. We'll do it. Where is the chili beans?
They're in there somewhere.
Mine was spaghetti sauce. Oh, I see what you're saying. We do have a lot more food than I thought we did.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do with it and the dishes and everything.
Well, we could, like you said, we could stay right on. Now I understand exactly what you meant. We could stay and finish the food.
Well, I don't want to finish the food. Just want to figure out how to pack it all.
Yeah, where's the chili beans?
They're stacked on the other side of the box with all the cans.
Where? Where?
They're not in there?
Ah,
They're right here.
here they are.
You found it. All right.
Go in that pocket real quick for me, would you?
In the pocket?
That pocket in the tent?
Oh, and get the...
Whatchamacallit?
Okay. It's not here.
It should be in the pocket.
In the tent?
Yes.
No.
It's not?
Uh-uh.
Why not?